Christmas, the perfect time for our living space to glow. If you love all things home decor, and this much is true, design with Emma is the right place for you. So go ahead and subscribe. I am Emma, and there is one more thing to say to you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Blessmas Day 5. And what we're going to be doing on Day 5, we're going to be making a tree topper. Now, I have several items here that I'm going to show you how to make a topper. Blessmas is hosted by At Home with Lisa, Lifestyle and Design with Teresa, and myself, Design with Emma. Now, we've done 5 days of Blessmas. On day 6, which will be Saturday, tomorrow, we'll be doing our giveaway. Now, in order to qualify for the giveaway, you would have had to been in all 5 days of the premiere. I will be doing a giveaway for my channel. Lisa will be doing a giveaway for her channel. And Teresa will be doing a giveaway for her channel. Then we'll come together and we'll each put into a giveaway for one person. That person will receive that combined giveaway from all 3 of us. And the third giveaway we will be doing will be a giveaway to a family. So we're going to be doing that again this year. We're going to give away to a family. So you all make sure you tune in tomorrow for that giveaway. Now, Teresa will be coming on directly after me. And after Teresa, will be At Home with Lisa. So, as I told you, we're going to be doing Christmas tree toppers today. I'm going to show you some of the items I have to work with. Then I'm going to put a couple of the toppers on the little tree that I will be making this topper for. And I will show you my other trees that I've already made toppers for. So what I have here is my little feathers, and what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna add a pick to it to make a topper. I'm also gonna use this table runner and make a topper. Now, I've made this bow, which you all can make bows and use as toppers. I've made this large bow, which I will show you you can use as toppers. You can use picks above this bow to make that topper larger. Okay? I also have my picks here that I will be using to make my topper. So I'm going to bring you in a little closer so you can see as I make the toppers for the trees. And then what I'll do, I'll take you over to the trees so you can see me place the topper on. First, what I'll do is I'm going to get all of this together. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to make our first topper. Okay, so what I'm going to do for the first topper, I'm going to take the picks that I have. And I picked these up at Hobby Lobby and Walmart. And I have a clear one. And all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the picks and actually put them all together. And next what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tie them together with some floral wire. So I'm gonna get them all out here, picked out. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut a piece of floral wire here. And I'm gonna wrap it around my picks tightly so they will stay when you actually stick it into the tree. So I'm just gonna keep on wrapping till I make sure it's tight enough for them to stay. Then what I'll do, I'll just tie the end together so it won't come apart. Now, what I'm making this topper for is a very small tree. So I'm gonna show you the tree so you can see the tree that I'm making it for. But this is the topper, and as you can see, it was very simple to make. Now, if I decide, I could actually add this little bow that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I could add the bow to the topper, and it'll make a very, very cute topper. So all I would have to do is get my wire and attach it here to this little bow, and it makes a beautiful topper. I'm gonna bring it in and let you see it. Then I'm gonna take it to the little tree I told you I had and stick it on that little tree so you can see it actually on the tree. As you can see, the cute little topper looks pretty cute, I think, on this little tree. And all I've done, I've added the picks to the top of it. Then I added the bow to it for that little topper. So if you have a few picks, all you have to do is tie them together. You can leave the picks by themselves, or you can go ahead and add a bow to it. And this is a very small little tree, as I told you, that I've added it to. So I'm gonna show you a couple more, and I'll show you also how I place them on this little tree. Okay, so for the second topper, what we're gonna use, I'm gonna use this beautiful pick that I picked it up, I think at Hobby Lobby's. And as you all can see, it's beautiful. It's beaded. Now, I have this look on my black tree, but I'm gonna try it on the white one. I'm gonna take the feathers, connect it to my pick, and use it as my topper. Very simple. All I've done, I've taken a couple of a feather, and you can get these at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna connect it here to this beautiful, beautiful pit. And it's gonna give you a beautiful topper. And I've used this same topper in my dining room on that black tree. Now what I'm gonna do, I wanna use it on this little white tree here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it together, let you all see it. I'm just gonna tie it together here. Then what we'll do, we'll take it over and put it on the tree and see what we think of it. So when you're making toppers, just use your imagination. As long as you got a few picks, you can make a topper. You do not have to buy. All you gotta have is a few picks and some floral wire. So we're gonna try this one on the tree and see how we like it. It is beautiful. So let's test it out. Okay guys, now this is topper number 2. I think this one's gonna be my favorite one. I think this is gonna be the one I'll use on this little bitty tree. Now this is a little Dollar Tree tree. So I paid $6 for it, and I'm gonna use it at the top of my steps. But I'm thinking this topper will be the one I use. And all I've done, I've showed you how I took the feathers. I went in and added the beaded pick, and I decided to go ahead and put this beautiful reindeer ribbon on it. And I think that's gonna do it for me for this little tree, because it is a small little tree and it's just gonna be on right above my staircase. So if you look at this one, it's almost identical to the one I have on my black tree, but you see how easy it was to make this. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more and then we'll be done. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you all for joining us on Blessmas, because as you well know, without you, we could not do this. Also, Teresa will come up after me, and after Teresa will be At Home with Lisa. Lisa, you all make sure you stay around to check out their premieres. Saturday, tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will be doing our giveaway. So that will be Saturday. So what I'm going to do now, the last one I'm going to do, I had told you about this little table runner that I'm going to make a scarf out of to use on the tree. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure it's even. Then I'm going to come in and fold it over. I'm going to wrap around it. I'm going to bring it back through and pull it. Okay? Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the both of them and pull it really tight. Really, really tight so it'll stay. Okay? Then I'll spread it out. And what I want to do now, I want to make sure the two ends are about equal. As you can see, it is now a bow. I want to make sure it's tight so when you put it on your tree. So, there it is. That's a bow you can make for your tree out of a table runner. Now, what I did with mine, I'll show you. I stuffed each side of this just so it would stand out, because otherwise it'll be a little limp. Some people like them that way. I just put, like, you can put black paper in it, some type of paper. You can put, I put snow in mine and just stuffed it. You can put cardboard in it, anything that will make it stand. But you can see it's a beautiful bow. I will show you how they look once you put them on your Christmas tree. It was very easy, 1, 2, 3. So let's look at some of my toppers, okay? And they were all, I made all of them. I'm just gonna give you a quick look at them. This white bow you see here, I just showed you how to make the black one. What I've done here, I used my table runner to make this white bow. If you look up at the top, I use the feathers. I do have a few snowball picks, but I have that same beaded pick for this topper. I've showed you how to put them together. They are very quick, very easy, and you can do it. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you all for joining us on Blessmas. You have been here the 5 days for us, and we truly, truly appreciate it. Don't forget, tomorrow at 7:30, we will be doing the giveaway. You do need to be present in order to win. Teresa will be coming on at 6 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. That's right after me. That's 7 p.m. Eastern. And At Home with Lisa will be on at 6:30 Central Standard Time, and that's 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you would, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my tree toppers. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.
Say to you, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.